These green fruits are the green olives used to make extra virgin olive oil. Every year, starting in October, when the olives start to appear red, the engineers test the oil content of the fruit, and when it reaches the standard, the olives are ready to be harvested. Workers lay nets under the trees to collect the olives, after which the branches are shaken by a vibrating rake, or the whole tree is shaken by this machinery in order to shake the olives onto the nets under the trees. The green and newly reddened fruits yield twice as much oil compared to the ripe ones. But the flavor of the pressed oil is intense and strong, and is the raw material for making extra virgin olive oil. But they have to be pressed within 3 hours after picking, and the collected fruits are delivered by truck to the processing plant in the center of the garden. First, the grading center screens the fruit to remove the roots and broken olives, then the fruit is cleaned with water to prevent the earthy smell from the oil. This rotating turbine then breaks up the fruit into pulp. And this special mixer will stir the olive pulp to encourage the tiny olive oil molecules to gather. During this process, the temperature must be strictly controlled, as temperatures above 27 degrees can compromise the flavor of the olives. The pulp is then pumped into the centrifuge, where the centrifugal force separates the oil from the impurities. But at this moment the olive oil still contains some water and other impurities, so it needs to be centrifuged for a second time, after which the pure olive oil is immediately transported into this oversized stainless steel tank. In order to avoid the contact between the olive oil and oxygen, the tank is filled with nitrogen gas when it is not full. Finally, the bottling machine puts the olive oil into dark bottles, and it is ready to be sold to the public.